Hello teachers, in this video I'm going to show you how to deliver class on Future Cloud and how to use some of the classroom tools in it. Okay, the first thing you need to know is check your schedule. So after you logged in, you can see the schedule on the top. If there's a dot, you can see if there is a dot, that means on that day you have class. So for example, on Saturday 16th September, 16th January, you have a class 9 o'clock. It's 2 hours long. You can see here the time, right? So enter the classroom and you can check next week's schedule here. Okay, and you can click enter the classroom. Okay, now I'm in the classroom. So usually before you enter the classroom, it will ask you to confirm your microphone, your camera, and your speakers. You need to check those. And after that, you will get into the classroom. If students is not in the class yet, don't click the start. You don't have to click this. So you can still check the courseware and everything. If you click the start, that means the class already started. Now let's look at some of the functions in this platform. The first thing you need to know is how to open your courseware, like PPT, videos, and sound and audio profile. Now you can click, you can see there's a folder here, right? On the left hand, you click the courseware and then current courseware. That is a courseware for this class. So you can double click the PPT here. Okay, let me close this one. Okay, you can double click it and then it will show up here. This is a courseware you're going to use during the class, and students will see the same page with you. So you can see there are 20 pages here. This is a page number 1, and during the class you can click next, like this. You can also use your keyboard to do this. And if you are teaching phonics, you can see there is a speaker icon, so you can use this icon to play the audio like this. You just click it. You have to choose this one, because if you choose this one, that means you're going to write on the board. So if you click anywhere, it doesn't function. So you have to click one first. You have to click this one first and then click this icon again. Probably because I am recording my screen, it doesn't.
I'm an angry
it doesn't
apple.
work, but usually if you click this one, yeah, it's working.
This
it's working
is
already.
the sound.
Yeah.
This
Right?
is the letter
So
A.
this is how you can open your courseware.
Angry apple.
And
Angry
and this,
apple.
if you click this one, that means you are using the pen, the different colors, and how big it is. You can circle, and you can use arrow, you can use lines. So usually we use this one. Yeah, you can circle it like this. And also you can type the words. And you can erase everything with the eraser here. Clear. So these are the tools you can use. And on the top you can see there are 4 icons. This is for giving thumb up. You can also give students thumb up on students, you know, on his camera. You can also do the thumb up. But now we cannot see the students, right? It's only me. But actually, when students showing up, you can also do that here. And you can see there's another function. It's enable. Right now, students cannot do this. So if you enable it, if you enable this one, that means students can also draw it, can also draw anything on the board. If you disallow, that means students cannot draw anything on their screen. And this is mute. You can mute students' microphone. So this is basically all the functions you need to know. And this is layout. You don't have to do this for one-on-one class. Another very important function is here, refresh. So that means if there is something wrong, if the internet is very bad, you can always refresh the classroom here. Yeah. So both you and the students will re-enter the classroom. And this is the sound, the volume. Yeah, basically this is all the function you need to know. And after you finish the class, so here we'll show the end. You just click the end, the class will be finished.